Here are the top 10 evolutionary weapons that changed the game. 10. Rhino horn, dense keratin spear built for direct confrontation. 9. Rattlesnake fangs, inject venom with precise delivery under pressure. 8. Elephant tusks, multi-tool weapons for battle, movement, and dominance. 7. Claws of the harpy eagle, grip force capable of crushing bone mid-flight. 6. Cassowary talons, raptor-style blades engineered for lethal kicks. 5. Scorpion stinger, venomous strike that neutralizes threats within seconds. 4. Tiger canines, designed for targeted airway shutdown during a takedown. 3. Orca bite strategy, power plus intelligence, dismantles prey with precision teamwork. 2. Saltwater crocodile jaw, peak bite force, crushes armor, bone, and anything in reach. 1. Mantis shrimp strike, fastest punch in nature, generates heat, light, and shockwaves. Evolution perfects weapons, nature decides who survives them,